Be honest with me for a second. How many of you think AI will take your job? Now listen very carefully. AI will not replace engineers, but engineers who do not learn AI will be replaced. And this is not motivation. This is the actual reality of the tech industry in 2026. Before we start, comment your branch below. CSE, IT, ECE, mechanical, civil or electrical. I'll reply you with a roadmap. Let's have a reality check. Talk about facts. AI is already writing code. AI is already testing software. AI is already creating websites. AI is already doing data analysis. So yes, some IT jobs are disappearing. But here is the important part. AI is not killing engineering. AI is killing low-skill repetitive work. Data entry jobs are going, manual testing jobs are going, basic copy-paste coding jobs are going. But system design jobs are increasing. AI engineer jobs are exploding. Cloud and security jobs are growing every year. The problem is not AI. The problem is the people who don't upgrade their skills. The golden rule. Here is the new rule of careers. If your job is following instructions, AI can do it. If your job is designing systems, making decisions and solving real problems, AI cannot replace you. AI can generate code, but it doesn't know what to build. AI can analyze data, but it doesn't know what decisions to take. That part is still human. Now let's talk about what you must learn. Skill number 1, strong engineering fundamentals. This means data structures and algorithms, operating systems, databases, and computer networks. These are boring, I know, but these are your mental muscles. If you don't understand how a system works, AI tools won't save you. You won't be an engineer. You will just be a tool user. DSA teaches you how to think, OS teaches you how computer work. Databases teach you how data lives, and network teach you how the internet works. This is your foundation. Without foundation, no building stands. By now, you know that DSA is very important. Don't worry. Learning DSA is not that difficult. I have your back. Scan this QR code and install the DS app on your phone and start learning DSA right now. This app has all about DSA that you must learn. Skill number 2, AI and data. Not just using ChatGPT or other AI platforms, actually understanding how AI works. You must learn Python, Pandas and NumPy, machine learning, deep learning, and how to use LLM APIs. Every company will become an AI company. Banking, healthcare, finance, e-commerce, education. The question is not will AI exist? The question is will you be the person who builds it or the person who gets replaced by it? Skill number 3, modern software engineering. Earlier being a coder was enough. Now you must understand system design, APIs, cloud computing, Docker, DevOps. Because real software is not one file. It is a system, it runs on servers, it scales to millions of users. It must be secure, it must be fast. Companies don't pay for code, they pay for systems that work at scale. Now the most underrated skill, that is human skills. Communication, problem solving, product thinking and leadership. AI cannot understand human emotions. AI cannot manage people. AI cannot take responsibility for decisions. That's why managers, architects and founders will always earn more than coders. Your goal is not to stay a coder forever. Your goal is to become a problem solver. Emerging fields. Now let's talk about future fields. Cybersecurity, AI safety, robotics, AR and VR, bioinformatics, quantum computing. These are not hype fields. These are 10-year career fields. If you enter these early, you won't chase jobs. Jobs will chase you. Here is a simple 2-year plan. Year 1, Python, DSA, SQL, machine learning, and 2 real projects. In year 2, deep learning, cloud platform, take internships, open source, 1 strong specialization. Degree gives you eligibility, but skills gives you employability. Let me end with this. The future is not human versus AI. The future is humans with AI versus humans without AI. AI will not destroy careers. AI will destroy weak careers. If you learn continuously, build real skills, and think like an engineer, you don't need to fear the future. You will own it. If this video helped you, like it and subscribe. Comment your branch below. I will personally reply with a roadmap and share this video with the one friend who is scared about AI.